2,000 years later.
So guys, welcome to our morning routine. This is how it is when we wake up. This is how it is when we wake up. Those are like dirty dishes from yesterday. That's the baby and my cousin's wife there. She doesn't like pictures in the morning. That's my brother making the fire. So this is just typically home when we wake up. That's my dad right there. Can you see him? Yeah, that's my dad right there. He's holding a gun. He wants to hunt the birds which are eating the oshipunino. So he's hunting them. Can you see him? Okay, so as we're going to the crawl right now, we're going to the crawl. 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 So yeah guys, after milking the cows we usually make tea to energize ourselves before getting to the main activities of the day. So yeah, this is how you make tea in the farm. It's milk in a cup and then water to boil the milk, because the milk is very raw. And this is jam from last time. And this is the bread that we'll be giving for today. So yeah, don't mind this dirty dish right there. And yeah, that's the situation. I'm waiting for the thing to boil, and then yeah, the vibes at all. I'll see you guys after we have tea, and then yeah, I'll just show you what we'll do next after having tea. Bye guys. It's already after tea. We just had our tea, and so right now we are on the oshikunino, guys. These are weeds. We should be removing this. Let me show you guys oshikunino. So this is oshikunino. Like, it's inside the yard. It's like a part of the yard. So let me show you guys the thing. These are weeds. These are weeds. These are weeds. Oh, this is one. This is maize. Yeah, the plants are still small. So yeah. So after having tea, we come to the oshikunino just to check up everything, to remove the weed. Remember? So here we're putting in beans. So yeah, that's what we do immediately after having tea. We come to check up on the oshikunino. Guys, why these ends are biting. But anyway, we are now here. They are renovating the plus. We came to check on them, how they're doing, and brought them water. Oh my god, guys, I cannot stay here. So you can see how elephants destroy these things. Can you see how these things destroy? How elephants destroy on the rata. But then they're renovating it. And yeah. Let me show you where they have camped. Boy, shitty. So there's everybody. There's my dad. There's them. I'm not taking you. I'm going to go get some more. I'm going to try it. You tell me, Angie. Tell me.
Hey. What do you mean? That's how I'm talking about it. Tiba. Mira pelo virimba. Oh. Muy feo. Vamos a disfrutar, vamos a comer. Okay, so guys, we are now done milking the cows. Here are the cows. We are done milking them. So this is the cows, guys. We are now done milking. We're just waiting for them to finish breastfeeding and we get them out. They go eat. So this happens to be the smallest baby so far. She's a day old, if not 2 days. So yeah. So we are taking them that side. That's where they drink their water and then they go out and have their food. So yeah, that's what has been. That's what's popping right now. That's what's popping. That's what's popping. That's what's popping right now. That's my dad. That's my dad. That's the helper. And that's the other helper. So that's why they milk. Bigutare ngombe zate todo ndaura. Bikikukanira mahere wetu mawa. Ukarire inayo unashowanyichi. Malekanwa. So icho shunda shomahiriro. Oganda malasho. Jino fala bari. Ondo male piti mushishikanderwa. Marakale numu komnene to. So male piti male kali angui le piti tabala tangombe penongiti. Jino fala kwa murungu nji. Murungu dongo mengui. So how could be told they didn't die? Because they came late. But Rara let Taura so ngumo muvatire wetu maybe mbapekaro muvatire wetu umwe chino storumu mututu wa hautu mundambu imbani poshikunino nyana ni mukutohofa marasha kundwa to miyo hofa te yakundwa kanguro shikunino ngoka hauto jino njua fala no kahauto bwae toho jonjo nene nyonganda ya tuliso nganda ngwino shuka ngwino shuka So guys, this is cow dung and this is swell, but not just any swell, this is a special kind of swell. So what you're doing now is we're mixing this cow dung with swell, and then aturombonjuo. I don't know what okuromba is in English, but you get the vibes. I mean, this is tradition, okay? So this is how you do it. You mix the two and then you pour water to make it like watery, and yeah. So this is what we usually do as part of our morning routine. But today is so sunny, I don't even know if I'm going to finish all this. So yeah. Can you all see this rainbow?
Oiria heren biga go by bahutu godo jirodon amigo ngorere yondero yanje I'll follow my heart cause this is what my heart wants. Oiria heren biga go by bahutu godo jirodon